Hello everybody, this is not a crypto expert chiming in with another video, and in today's video I wanted to discuss 10 top decentralized apps according to Computer World. But before I get into the subject matter for today, I wanted to ask that you please give me a like, give me a heart, give me a thumbs up, give me a follow. I'm not going to ask you to share because it seems invasive. I'm, I talk about crypto and blockchain, more specifically blockchain, and I try to make it fun with a trap beat. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get into the topic for today. And like I said, it's the top 10 distributed apps or DApps for blockchain according to Computer World. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, read the just a little bit of background on what a DApp is. And then since there are 10 of them, I'm going to break it up into different sections because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's go ahead and let's get into the article. Imagine an application that doesn't run on one server but harnesses the excess power of thousands of computers globally and that can be controlled by business automation software that ensures if a specific parameter is met, only then can a function be carried out. That's a distributed application, or DApp, as it's sometimes abbreviated, and there are thousands available for download. Running atop a blockchain, peer-to-peer network that acts as a kind of operating system. DApps create an innovative open source software ecosystem that is both secure and resilient, and it allows developers to create new online tools, many of which have piqued the interest of global business markets. DApps will pool resources across numerous machines globally, said Juniper senior analyst Lauren Foy. The results are applications which do not belong to a sole entity, but rather are community driven. Bitcoin was arguably the first DApp, enabling anyone in the world to download a bit of open source code to join a blockchain network and verify transactions using a mining algorithm, thereby generating digital currency as a reward. Like a rated storage array, if one of the computers or nodes running the DApp software goes down, another node instantaneously resumes the task. Because smart contracts or self-executing business automation software can interact with dApps, they're able to remove administrative overhead, making them one of the most attractive features associated with blockchain. While blockchain acts as an immutable electronic ledger, confirming that transactions have taken place, smart contracts execute predetermined conditions. Think about a smart contract as a computer executing on if-then or conditional programming. dApps interact with smart contracts that are on the blockchain. So dApps support the user interface into the back-end smart contracts that writes the data to the blockchain. dApps run the gamut from the digital asset exchanges like LBank to online gambling like Poker King and games like CryptoKitty. Depending on the blockchain platform, dApps are also used by small and large businesses to track and trace goods as they move around the globe and enable cross-border financial transactions without the need of a middleman such as a central bank or clearinghouse. The following is a list of 10 game-changing dApps. The last DApp on the list is DLTSG, which stands for Singapore, and it's built on the Hyperledger Fabric business platform DLT.SG, which stands for Distributed Ledger Technology Singapore, includes a series of enterprise-grade blockchain DApp modules focused on supply chain and counterfeit recognition technologies. DLT.SG is built for collaborative e-commerce and large supply chain organizations. It enables trade finance, tracks end-to-end product flow, and delivers a model for unlocking inventory and freeing up cash. For example, SKR-SG's smart code for pharma is focused on resolving pharma counterfeits by tracing their provenance throughout the production process. Another module, SmartFin, is a DApp to help fund trade between multinational corporations, commodity traders, and banks. It creates a permissioned online ledger through which corporations can securely interact with their financial institutions in the negotiation of trade finance, bonding and guarantees, and risk mitigation. DLT Singapore dApps can also integrate with SAP and Microsoft software via APIs if needed in order to connect to legacy data sources. Now they have a YouTube page. However, the videos on the YouTube page are fairly lengthy, and since they do a few different things, I didn't think that it would be fair just doing one of the videos when they do so many other things. So I would highly encourage you to check out their YouTube page and actually check out what is it they do. They don't have that many videos, but they do have enough information to give you a better understanding as far as what they do. They've also got a nice amount of information on their website, as well as the ability to start a trial. Now, granted, this is Singapore, so the folks in the United States, it's just information but us. But the list from Computer World, it was a great list of 10 DApps or DApps that I personally felt, I've gotten some education off of it, so I hope that you did, and I look forward to finding more lists like this and showcasing them to you all. So, with that being said, folks, I hope that you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, and an even better evening.